Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put your own music on Triller. So this will make you be able to put your own sounds on your Triller videos, so it gets kind of any audio, all doesn't need to be music, etc. There's everything with this method you can do. You can't actually do this within the Triller app. You're going to have to kind of go out on your phone, then it's going to be go through a process. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to kind of need, whether you're on Android or iOS device like the iPhone or iPad, you're going to need to kind of copy the music in your notes. So for this, you're going to want to go ahead and go to potentially your files. You'll be able to get it from here maybe, or maybe your voice memos, depending on what you want. But you're going to need to kind of copy that in there. So I've clicked the three dots, or it might be a upwards download looking icon. You're going to want to copy that. So click copy like I did there. Then go into your notes, and then you're going to want to paste it in there. As you do, then you'll see something like this pop up, and then what you're going to want to do with that is just click on it like this, and then you'll see in the bottom left hand corner that button there. You want to click on that, then you want to click on here where it says copy to Triller, and this is the same type of thing if you go to your files in your iPhone. You want to copy to Triller. However you do that, that's how you're going to go ahead and do it. So as you can see here, this is what appears. That's the audio. You can kind of move it around as you want to for as many seconds, etc., like you do all the other audios in here. Then once you're done with that, you can click on the top right hand corner to film, and then you're there to do your Triller video like this. But that's how you add music. You do whatever you want within there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Triller app. And that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.